It's a vision of hell Iraqis have seen far too often. The suicide bomber struck the busy central Baghdad neighborhood of Karada late Saturday night, killing at least 120, wounding more than 140. The streets were packed with residents shopping and strolling in the relative evening cool, preparing for the holiday that follows the holy month of Ramadan. ISIS claimed responsibility for the bombing, which it said specifically targeted Shia Muslims, and vowed that such attacks would not stop. Iraqi Prime Minister Haider al-Abadi came to survey the damage, but residents drove him and his entourage away with rocks and bottles, angry that once more the streets of Baghdad flowed with the blood of innocents. Baghdad residents had hoped that after Iraqi forces recently drove ISIS from their stronghold of Fallujah, less than an hour's drive away, bombings would become a thing of the